I will perform all my actions in Windows 11 as well as in Ubuntu 20.4, which is implemented as a Windows subsystem for Linux. So everything I show will be relevant for Windows users who use it as a main system. But you will need to install Ubuntu 20.4 as a WSL subsystem. And it will be also relevant for people who use Unix-like system as the main ones. But for example, if you use Red Hat or CentOS, then you need to replace the apt package manager in the source code of the project with the yum package manager, so that everything will work exactly the same as in Ubuntu. And also, if you use the Unix-like system as the main one, then you will need to replace the Windows programs presented here with their Unix equivalents. This presentation contains two tables and lists the programs that need to be installed. These programs need to be installed in Windows, and these programs need to be installed in Ubuntu. The target versions that are worth focusing on are indicated, as well as installation instructions are given. All the programs are already installed on my computer, and we will not analyze it in detail because the installation process is simple and straightforward. But I will briefly overview each item from the table and explain what it means. The first one is the source code of our project. We will make all our actions in it. We will connect to virtual machines using mRemote, upload files and download files using VNCP. The development environment will be IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Java of the 11 version will be used, and Scala of 2.13 version will be used. You can install Scala as a plugin for the IntelliJ IDEA. Because the test object is written in Java, then we will build it using Maven. And the load generator is written in Scala, so we will build it using SBT. Postman will be used to work with the API of the online store testing object. Because the online store uses database, we will connect to it using the DB browser for SQLite graphical client. The main profiling tool will be Visual VM. In Ubuntu, we will install Ansible. We will also install Python, Java, Scala, Maven, SBT. We will also need to install an OpenSSH server and set of tools for Amazon Web Services. We will study all these programs in more detail in the next videos. And now let's download our project and correctly import it into the development environment. Download the project, open it. At the current moment, it is imported incorrectly because the file structure of the project is not displayed. To do this, we go to the project structure and check that the correct SDK is selected. And the level of language is 11. Then we import the project as a module. Select the module name, performance testing step by step. Content root is the directory of our project. Click Finish, and we see that the file structure has appeared. We have two submodules, eShop and load generator, which also need to be imported. To do this, we need to perform similar actions, but we no longer select a new module, but select import module. Because the eShop testing object uses Maven for assembling, select Maven and click OK. Wait for it to be imported. And then select load generator. Because load generator uses SBT for assembling, select the correct SDK, check the path, click Finish. And let's also set the correct configurations for launching our project for the future. For the eShop, we create a Maven task. Make sure that the work directory is eShop. Here write exec. In the future, we will use this task to launch an online store on a local computer. Save. Do the similar actions for the load generator. Select Application. Select the load generator module. Then select the GetEncRunner class. Now the environment will find it itself and we will add it. And we change the working directory for this submodule as load generator. The name can be used the same as the GetEncRunner class. Now our project has been imported correctly, and that's it.